Hi everyone. So we are starting with week 2 very fresh, which is starting from May of 9th till May 13th. We had started this weekly series right from 2nd of May 2022. I was supposed to do it for 5 days a week, but because Friday I was just not well, so I did it from Monday to Thursday, and now we are continuing this. So this is your schedule for this particular week, and you have all those 4 lectures going on simultaneously at different points of time. Indian polity 9 a.m, geography 12 noon, environment and ecology 6 p.m, modern Indian history 9 p.m. So let's see the series for your Indian polity ones. So till lesson 4 we have covered. Lesson 5th will be on constitutionalism. Lecture number 6 is going to be on the topic of constitutional morality. Lecture number 7, 8 and 9th, I am going to divide it into several parts, part 1, 2 and 3, which will discuss the topic of making of the constitution. It is very important from the prelims perspective because a lot many factual informations are given here. So we are doing it slowly and simultaneously so that you remember all the points at one go. Okay, it is like you are not overloaded with the factual information, because otherwise retention becomes a problem. Also, I would like to help you out with one thing regarding the geography and the environment and ecology series, because I've already started it way back. So what the technique of doing this is that I give you a few lectures on different topics, then I attach one previous year question section, and based on those topics you get that. But for Indian polity and modern Indian history, because we have just started with these series, so I could have modified it easily as per my convenience. Because we have just started these two series from 2nd of May, what I am doing is for both of polity and modern Indian history, I am attaching the PYQs along with the topic only. For example, when we will do the topic on constitutional morality, I will give you a PYQ, mains ka 2021 ka PYQ here itself. And I have already given you the prelims PYQ in the previous sections also. Okay? So for polity and history, you will get it alongside the lecture only. For geography and environment ecology, like the way it is being done, like after a few lectures, and then you get the PYQ of those lectures. This is how we are going to proceed. For the geography series, lecture number 29th will be on the sea floor spreading theory. Now guys, we have covered a lot in the geography and we have reached to that advanced level, because now I have those mains questions also, which you can see here. So prelims and mains PYQs I will attach here in the lesson number 33. What I also wanted to ask you, and you guys can please comment in the, write in the comment section of this video, whether you really want me to continue with geography and environment ecology series or not. The reason is that these videos are hardly receiving any views. It's just that 12, 13, 14, 15, something like that, and less than 20, I would say. Even for a week, this just goes like this, and it takes a lot of time to find the materials, read n number of things, and then bring the most crisp content to you. So, and attaching the PYQs and doing things simultaneously, it does take time. So please let me know if you are not liking, or in case you do not need the geography and the environment ecology series, I will stop it. I will continue with the polity and the modern Indian history. You can please let me know your views in the comment section. So then the lecture number 30 will be on the distribution of earthquakes and volcanoes based on whatever we would have done by far. Lecture number 31 will be on your plate tectonics theory. Lecture number 32 will be a follow-up of this, and we will talk about the types of tectonic plates. Lecture number 33 is based on the PYQs from lecture 25 to 32, both the prelims and the mains PYQ. Moving on to the environment and ecology series, lecture number 20 will be on food web and pyramid of numbers. Lecture number 21 will be on pyramid of biomass and energy. Lecture number 22 will be on the pollutants and the trophic levels. So we will talk about two concepts of bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Lecture number 23 is on the different biogeochemical cycles, which you also call as the nutrient cycles. So you have actually two kinds of cycles. One is your sedimentary, जिसमें phosphorus, sulfur पढ़ते हैं. One is your gaseous, जिसमें water, carbon और nitrogen पढ़ते हैं. ठीक है? So we will do that. Then in the modern Indian history lecture series, lecture number 5th is on the rise of regional states part 2, because part 1 we have already discussed in the lecture number 4. Lecture number 6 will talk about the 18th century socio-economic conditions, because we need to understand India on the eve of British conquest. Lecture number 7 will be on the background of the advent of Europeans in India. See, everybody starts just doing the advent of Europeans in India, but then I thought that let's have a lecture on this also, because once you get the background, again it will help you to relate, because history has to be done in a very, very story format. Otherwise you will just get, lost in somewhere in between. So lecture number 8 will be technically on the advent of Europeans in India. I'll discuss the Portuguese in detail in the first lecture, and then I'll continue with the other powers like Dutch, English, Danes and French in the next lecture. This is how your schedule for week 2 looks like. Please do answer me about geography and environment ecology series in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Please do check all the links given in the description section, and also do like, comment, share and subscribe if you feel the videos are of use to you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.